This question is from GATE 2013 Mechanical Engineering paper, question number 10. In a rolling process, the state of stress of the material undergoing deformation is option A, pure compression, option B, pure shear, option C, compression and shear, option D, tension and shear. Let's see what it is. So in the rolling process, in the most simple form, we can see that what is done is the material that is to be rolled in thin sheet, or the material whose area of cross section has to be reduced, is passed through the arrangement of two rollers like this. So the forces that it will be subjected to will be compression. Of course, because of this presence of the rollers, there is a compression applied to the material which will thin its cross section. But as the rollers are rotating, we can show the direction of rotation of the rollers like this. As the rollers are rotating, there is a relative sliding motion between the material to be compressed and the roller. So we can also see that there is another force addition to the compression, that is a shear force. So the force of compression as well as force of shear are the two forces that are applied on the material that is to be rolled. So we have compression, Fc, is what the material is subjected to, and shear. It might seem like only compression is being applied, but we need to consider the sliding motion happening between the sheet and the rollers, because the rollers are not stationary, they are rotating. Let's go back and mark the correct option. Option C, compression and shear. In rolling process, state of stress of material undergoing deformation is under compression and shear. To learn more about rolling, you can refer to the NPTEL video Metalworking Processes Rolling from the course Fundamentals of Manufacturing Processes. This course is by Dr. D.K. Dwivedi. He is from Mechanical and Industrial Engineering Department of IIT Roorkee. I hope this explanation will help you clear your doubt. Thank you.